Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibonge indabeni ke zethembisa online la sikubingelela khona ngithembe ukuthi ke yonke into ihamba ngokohlelo noma ke zonke izinto zihamba kahle ukhumbule ke ukuthi ke namhlanje sizokwazi ukuthi ke sibheke udaba oluthinta yona ke ini na I Municipal Public Accounts Committee sibheke iMPAC ke sikhulumisana naye ke usihlalo wayo ke iMPAC umhlonishwa uMziyanda Mkethu vele ke senginaye nakhona ke lapha ke ocingweni ufuna ukuthi ke ngikhulume naye sizwe ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani sihlalo ngokukhulu ke ukuhlonipha asikubingelele sikwamukela usekhona sihlalo okay kubonakala ngathi ke nokho ke siye sathu kulahlekelana ake ngiphinde ke mhlambe ngibuyele ngibona ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani ukhumbuleke ukuthi ke sizobheka ke udaba oluthinta ke kuma accounts ke kamasipala mhlonishwa asikubingelele sikwamukele
angibonge ngibingelele kuwe mhlonishwa ngibingelele nakubalaleli bohlelo
mhlambe masingase ke kube ukuthi ke ubaba uyayichaza njengomnumzane ukhansela uMziyanda Mkethu ungubani irole ayiphethe lapha yana kumkhandlu idolobha sekuruleni ihamba kanjani
njengoba usoshilo mhlonishwa umkhansela Mziyanda Mkethu the chairperson of MPAC. MPAC is the Municipal Public Accounts Committee esekelwe phansi ko-Section 79 structures and also a committee le-council yasekuruleni.
Sibonga kakhulu nanokuthi ke ukwazi ukuthi ke usichazele ngokuthi masikhuluma ke ngeMPAC ngabe sikhuluma ngani ngokwe responsibility ke yeMPAC mhlambe mawungathi ukuchaza kabanzi kuhamba kanjani
iMPAC idila kakhulu ke ngokulungisa nokuqondisa kwezezimali expenditure ukuthi if the city according to its plans, the IDPs, the SDBIPs, baye baspend imali as appropriated in the budget and in the plans, and then bakhona ukureporta ke in the AG, in line to their their plans.
Yes, masingase sibheke what are the Auditor General's findings on the city of Ekurhuleni for the financial year 2024-2025 financial report?
The city, unfortunately, in the year 2024-2025, got an qualified audit. Qualified audit means that kunezinto ke ezingahambanga ngohlelo in terms of the alignment. There's a number of irregularities and to an extent other unauthorized expenditures. So uye u-AG azibheke ke zonke lezi zinto asho ukuthi cha la akuhambanga kahle and then uza indicator ukuthi please come and explain, and also tell us the plans and the controls to circumvent that so that it does not happen again.
Mangabe sibheka, there were few departments that they were highlighted to be on the wrong by report ke ka AG. Which are those departments and what is the council process to effect ama penalties?
Okay, today from 10 o'clock this morning, we're hosting those departments. That will be ICT, Finance Department, Environment and Waste, Water and Sanitation, and Real Estate. Those are the departments that we're dealing with this morning. We're calling them one by one, interrogating the report and further probing, checking what happened, what are the contraventions, what is the cause and what are the plans to correct that.
Kuhambe kanjani nanokuthi ke kubaleke kangakanani ukuthi ke nibambe lama bathini ama hearings womphakathi.
Kuhambe kahle mhlonishwa, I can safely say that the meeting started with no hassles. Umphakathi bowukhona, the link was issued out for those that would have joined us online to observe the process. councillors which are members of MPEC, interrogated the reports, probing for further investigation and assessment. They've gotten the responses. We hope in their next meeting they will use that information to advise the Council of Ekurhuleni what decisions that must be taken. Kubalulekile kakhulu ke to have these hearings, especially with our publics, where the community of Ekurhuleni, so that they observe and they see how their monies are spent and make this municipality account.
Ya kubukeka ke kuudaba ke olubalulekile kakhulu. Mhlambe ngabe abantu bayayinaka yini into ezifana nalezi? Mhlambe your observation kuyona meeting, do you think into abangayinaka njengokuthi athi umuntu asinamanzi lapha akwazi ukuthi azasukela ayo attend ukuthi azokwazi kabanzi ngeimali zomasipala, noma it's one of those things where you need to make sure ukuthi you reach out and you make sure ukuthi nikhuluma nabantu? Ihamba kanjani interest yabantu?
Ikhona yona responding to ama platforms afana nayo le, ama radio. I've spoken to Kasi FM, I've spoken to EK, now I'm talking to yourself. And then namanye ke amakhasi onxibelelwano, but ke numbers are still very low. Kuyabonakala ukuthi kunomsebenzi omningi omele wenziwe to educate people so that ba understand ukuthi baneqhaza nabo as communities to play. And making the city, accountable to themselves, and follow up, with pairs and resources of the city, because they belong to the people.
Ake sikukhumbuzeke ukuthi ke njengoba ke unathi nje sihlezi nawe silapha nje kuThembisa Online, sikhulumisana ke naye umhlonishwa ukhansela ke ubani na ubaba ke uMziyanda Mkethu, kanti ke yena ke ungusihlalo wayo ke inina I Municipal Public Accounts Committee okuyi MPEC ngaphansi komkhandlu udolobha waseKurhuleni. Siyangasemaphethelweni ke enkulumeni esinaye sibheka ukwenza nokusetshenziswa ke kwezimali ngapha ke ngaphansi komkhandlu udolobha waseKurhuleni. Kwaziseke nangemuva ke kwayo ke lapha yana ke I-report ye-financial year ka-Auditor General ethinta zona ke inhlaka nalemnyango okuyiyona ayibalile. Mhlambe masingase sibuyele kuwena Chairperson, ngaphambi kokuba ke siye ngase kuyivaleni nanokuthi ke ngizwe ukuthi ikuphi manje enizokwenza okuzoba yi-follow up njengoba ke sekube nalama public hearings. Ngicela usiphinde usikhumbuze ukuthi lemnyango okuyiyona ethole kunogcopho ukusebenza kwayo imiphi?
ICT, Department of IT, Finance Department, Environment and Waste, kunye ke water and sanitation ne real estate.
Yeah, kubukeka ke kubucayi. Mhlambe ke mase siya ngase kuyivaleni, yini ke mhlambe I-process ezolandela? What process will follow after these public hearings?
I-process ezolandela mhlonishwa, I-MPEC kumele yenze I-report with recommendations ezoyithumela ecounseleni, councillor eKurhuleni beyiyo ezothatha I-decision where there's a fraud or misrepresentation of documents or information. Cases must be open so that we investigate and book, get people to book. Where we must authorize, following the process, write off or recover monies of the city, will recommend as such. That's what the process now will, the next process will be.
Wow. Mhlonishwa, cha sibonga kakhulu. Ekugcineni mhlambe akhona yini amanye ama public hearings ensazowabamba noma mhlambe ke seniwaphothulile bese siya ngase kutheni ke sivale?
Cha okwamanje, pertaining this report yaga AJ, this is the last one. We'll be having another one in the next year. But all Section 79 committees that are overseeing the work of departments, from time to time in a year, they have stakeholder arrangement, and the public, is invited from time to time to witness the work of these committees, and so that also the community idlale iqhaza layo in monitoring and oversee the processes and the proceedings of government.
Mhlonishwa siyabonga kakhulu nathi siyithembisa online We really appreciate your time. Sixolise ke nangesikhathi siyazi ukuthi uye waba umuntu olindayo kodwa ke siyabonga ngoba naku umlayezo usudlulile abantu ke bakwazile ukuthola. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sibongile ngathi uxolisa.
Sibonga kakhulu. Uyena ke umnomzane ke ubanike umziyanda wakwamkethu kanti ke yena ke ulapha yana njengosihlalo kuyona ke iMPAC. iMPAC ke ake sikhumbuze ukuthi ke ngabe iyini na Municipal Public Accounts Committee yona ke iMPAC okusho ukuthi ke iloko ke esikhuluma ngako imali kubalekile ukuthi nawe njengesakhamuzi wazi ukuthi ke iziphi imiphi nemibiko ekhona okumayelana nayo ke ireport kabani na kamasipala. Igama lami ke mina ke ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo kanti ke bakhona ke nabo ke oza kwethu uyibona ke esibambisani nabo. Uhlelo ke lolu ebesilethelwa ke ibona abasekuruleni bathi ke ake nikhulume nomphakathi nesichazele ukuthi ngabe kuhamba kanjani. Siyabonga nisale kahle.